got the Dre bill I stole from Chauffeur and Fall Clothes. I guess only the Lord knows you copy my style. Subliminals from non-criminals, I shank you in trial. Been a while since I gave you niggas bars like this. Pulled up with the doors open, showed you cars like this. Last time I did, me and 50 was in the same crew. Me and Eminem was in the same booth. Me and Trey was on Cedar Block, taking pictures by the same coupe. Now all y'all niggas do is tell stories about shit that ain't true. Fucking hoes behind me, eat that pussy till your face blue. Cat got your tongue, now you teeth ain't sprung. And since we talking sprung, I had her up and down like NASDAQ. You know it's true, BBL scars between the ass crack. I'm in this rag Chevy, my red rag heavy. My palms never sweaty, I hold the Draco steady. The ghost of Machiavelli and my 16's deadly. Compton across the belly, I prove you lost already. You shooting indirectly, I'm aiming at your neck piece. I run you for your jewels and wear them bitches to the SPs. Still got magnets in my chest and bullets ain't affect me. Compton across the belly, I prove you lost already.
You was a stranger, man. I thought we had a bond, but you betrayed and had to change your plans. I'm at you out of anger, man. You can run, but you can't hide. You wanted by the manga fam. Dog, you in danger, man. Blood pressure 160 over 110, the chamber jams. You like grinding, cause you ducking the life sentence. But I'm coming, and only Jesus knows the greater vengeance. I'm off in traffic, you racing the night rider. I'm on octane, game ain't seem to be the lighter. My eyes open, I'm lurking off in the alleys. You camouflage and duct tape like fuckface and Mally. My people see you, they plot, they wanna meet you. I'm off because I'm gonna do it. You're burning your Isuzu. We'll see you Google, now boo-hoo, and back for mercy. Start praying, go take this heaven, tell the Lord them boys.
Cali dreaming, tick-tock and you don't stop, don't stop. Click, clack and you step back, step back. Hit a lick and you don't quit, don't quit. Pop, pop and your ass drops. Tick-tock and you don't stop, don't stop. Click, clack and you step back, step back. Hit a lick and you don't quit, don't quit. Pop, pop and your ass drops.
Greetings and salutations, bitches, a celebration of a career that's transcended for generations. Ran out of love and patience, I'm back for reparations. I run for office, left over coffins at my confirmation. Yeah, $1 smile like a crocodile. Lungs brown, vocal cords sound like a black and mild. You must be out your mind if I'm out of town. Killer bees on you like disease if you fuck around. Hard 40, so that's 42. And knock us back for them situations I made it through. I sent you back to the energy that created you. I hated you, I disrespect your flag, then invaded you. Necessary, open carry like a mercenary. I came from moving more packs than apothecary. Shit was scary, I was buried, but Drake brought me back to hit your fucking cardiac like a heart attack.
Tick-tock and you don't stop, don't stop. Click, clack and you step back, step back. Hit a lick and you don't quit, don't quit. Pop, pop and your ass drops. Tick-tock and you don't stop, don't stop. Click, clack and you step back, step back. Hit a lick and you don't quit, don't quit. Pop, pop and your ass drops. I'm done with all the lip service. What's your purpose? Can't curse, I don't hear anything you say cause you're worthless. You ain't got no love, we see it on the surface. What's wrong, see me making moves makes you nervous. Go first, what a damn shame. Took it to the heart and the brain and let the game change everything you're feeling, disdain. And whatever remained between the brothers shatter and vain. Shit'll never be the same, it sounds insane. It's real psycho, it might go bad but it's life, yo. It's time to trim the fat like a chick doing lipo. They say they down with you but it's part of the cycle. Homies come and go, we keep it moving like so. Don't know what your problem but I feel it. You feel it? Baby, you just envy how we feel it, but you won't spill it. My cup is full because I feel it as I will it. I never try to conceal it. You ain't with it as I tell it. So don't stop, don't stop. Click, clack and you step back, step back. Hit a lick and you don't quit, don't quit. Pop, pop and your ass drops. Tick-tock and you don't stop, don't stop. Click, clack and you step back, step back. Hit a lick and you don't quit, don't quit. Pop, pop and your ass drops.
I see you niggas on the corner tryna bitches say school and start stripping tryna. I remember in Compton saying mama I'm even after the bullshit and drama I'm nigga. Drake got KKs and llamas. You can, I don't care where it's at. If I want it I'm gonna. Cause at the end of the day when the sun go down and the man in the mirror's the only nigga around, I thank myself cause I pushed me to go. Told my team work hard, stay down, we go. Now they ain't gotta take my word for it cause now they dreams ain't dreams no more. They wake up and they live it. I can't say everybody meant it because they didn't. Some niggas work hard while other niggas bullshit. fucked up to me, but I can't change it. If you ain't bout shit, nigga, I can't save you, but I'm gonna get it.
I'm in this rag Chevy, my red rag heavy, my palms never sweaty. I hold the Draco steady, the ghost of Machiavelli and my 16's deadly. Compton across the belly, I prove you lost already. You shoot me indirectly, I'm aiming at your neck piece. I run you for your jewels and wear them bitches to the SPs. Still got the fitness in my chest and bullets ain't affect me. Compton across the belly, I prove you lost already.
Why you let these motherfucking clones on my throne? Bitch, get up, daddy's home. Let it be known. All through these inner streets, when niggas ride, eye to eye in fucking traffic, when we collide. All I know up in this world is to survive. Take his money, take his girl, and take his life. But I don't wanna, all I wanna do is bend the corner through the avenues without running up against the ooze. Mama, get the bad news. Cousins already begging for my tennis shoe. Bookie, I can